Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, almighty and omnipresent. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine. Today is Monday, 27th April 2020. Today we are starting our new topic, which is multiples. But before starting the topic, first you have to open your book on page number 16. Okay, let me define multiples. A multiples is a number made by multiplying together two other numbers. It means whenever we are multiplying two numbers, its answer is called its multiples. For example, if we take 15, so we can write 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. This 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5. Similarly, we can take 48. So we can write 48 as 6 multiplied by 8. This 48 is the multiple of 6 and 8. Similarly, we are writing 6 is 3 multiplied by 2, and this 8, 4 multiplied by 2. So this 6 is the multiple of 3 and 2, 8 is the multiple of 4 and 2, 48 is the multiple of 6 and 8, and similarly 15 is the multiple of 3 and 5. And this 48 is also the multiple of 3, 2, 4. I think multiple is cleared. Now come to the book questions. We have first question. Find all the common multiples up to 120 for each pairs of numbers. Here we have question number A. 5 and 4. So we have to find the multiple of 5 first. That is similar like the 5 tables. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, and the last one is 120. Similarly, we have to find the multiples of 4. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80. Next one is 84, 88, 92, 96, 100, 104, 108, 112, 116, and the last one is 120. Now the question is, we have to find the common multiples up to 120 for each pairs of numbers. So the common multiples of 4, common multiples of 5 and 4 are Okay, the common multiple between 5 and 4 are 20, 40, 60, 80, and the last one is 100, and the last one is 120. So these are the common multiples of 5 and 4. This is question number A. I think you got the question. Now come to the question number B. Okay, now we have question number 2. That is 10 and 7. Okay, first we have to find the multiples of 10. It's same like the table of 10, that is 10 ones are 10, 2s are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and the last one is 120. Similarly, we have to find multiples of 7. That is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, 105, 112, and 119. Now we have to find the common multiples of 10 and 7. Here we have just only 70. As we have studied in the rules of divisibility, that if a number have 0 in the last of, if there is 0 in the last of the number, that will be divisible by 10. So in the table of 7, we have just only 70 that are the common multiple of 10 and 7. Okay, now we have question number 2. Find the lowest common multiples for each set of numbers. There is a difference between lowest common multiples and a common multiples. In first question, we are finding all the common multiples between two pairs of numbers. And here we have to find just only the lowest common multiple, the first one common multiple. That is called LCM. Here we have question number 1. 3, 4, and 8. First we have to find the common multiples of 3. Is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Similarly, we have to find the multiple of 4. It are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and the last one is 40. Now we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 50, 6, 64, 72, and 80. Now the question is find the lowest common multiple so we have So we have 24, this is the lowest common multiple of 3, 4 and 8. I think you got the question. Okay, so 24 is the lowest common multiple of 3, 4 and 8. Okay, we have next question, that is question number F. Question is 6, 5 and 15. We have to find the multiples of 6, that are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Similarly, we have to find the multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. Now the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and so on. Now the lowest common multiple of 6, 5 and 15 is 30. So 30 is the lowest common multiple of 6, 5 and 15. I think you guys got the topics. As we discuss multiples, then we discuss common multiples, and the last question we discuss lowest common multiples. Now let's come to the home assignment. In question number 1, I solved question number A 5 and 4 and question number F 10 and 7. Similarly, as I solved the question number A in 2, this is 3, 4 and 8, and the question number G. So you have to solve the remaining questions. This is on page number 16. If you guys left your book in school, so note your homework from this page, and if there is any problem, so I will try to solve it in the next lecture.